If you're like most people, you probably dream of having a defined and belly fat-free abdomen. But the truth is that eliminating that stubborn fat can be a challenge if you've tried everything and still haven't achieved the desired results. Don't worry, this video has everything you need to burn belly fat effectively and healthily. So get ready to learn the best tips and tricks to achieve the abs of your dreams. How about losing weight quickly with a drink? It may seem hard to believe, but this drink is easy to make and has been proven to help in a short time if you drink it consistently. By drinking just 1 glass of this juice before bed, you'll reduce your fat levels, especially in the belly, if you drink it every night and then do some aerobic exercises for about 30 minutes. You'll see results in a few days. It's common for fat to accumulate while you sleep because when you sleep, the body doesn't break down materials as quickly. The ingredients in this drink help the body break down materials more quickly, continuing to burn fat while you sleep. But this is possible because all the ingredients in this drink are known to speed up metabolism. So when you drink before bed, the body continues to break things down quickly. Cucumber is great for fighting fat and is an important part of any weight loss plan. A whole cucumber has only 45 calories and is rich in fiber and water, 2 important things for burning fat. Plus, it's very refreshing and gives a great taste to this drink. Cilantro and parsley are low in calories and rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Great for relieving water retention and flattening a bloated stomach. Ginger helps the body break down materials more quickly and eliminates constipation, 2 powerful things to fight belly fat that you don't want. This ingredient will help burn fat while you sleep. Lemon juice is good for eliminating toxins from the body. When you drink lemon juice, you can get rid of body fat and feel much better since the accumulated toxins in your system will be eliminated. Another good thing for losing weight is that it is rich in antioxidants and helps block free radicals that cause bloating. This juice also helps increase the speed at which the body breaks down materials, which can help lower the body mass index. Drink this healthy drink before bed and wake up feeling lighter and more energetic. With these simple ingredients that you can find at your grocery store, you can make this drink to lose weight quickly. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, a sprig of cilantro or parsley, half a glass of water. Preparation: combine the ingredients. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.